my prince.
I welcome you all.
Thank you, my prince.
Thank you, my prince.
I have been briefed by the Eno that the entire chiefs in council would like to have a crucial meeting with me.
Yes, my prince. It's all about your coronation. Because as we all know, that you cannot be crowned king without a woman by your side as your queen. And we have just 6 months to do this. To enable you to mount the throne of your fathers.
Ono is right, my prince. You need a woman by your side to be the king of our kingdom. And you have only, 6 months to do that.
Thank you, my elders. I have spoken to him about this. He said he's looking for a good wife. That he needs a good wife who will rule this kingdom with him. That he doesn't need a woman that will come into this palace and tear it apart.
May the gods forbid.
My elders, I must thank you all for your concern and your kindness towards the royal family. I understand you all deserve a king. However, there are 3 women in my life. But I haven't chosen from any one of them.
Why, my prince? Why not marry one of them immediately so that you will become king?
Well, I want to believe you asked questions before taking a wife. You made inquiries. As tradition demands, you asked questions. And that is exactly what I am trying to do. Like I said, there are 3 women in my life. The first is Sylvia. Sylvia is a daughter to my late father's friend. The second is Barbara. Barbara is my girlfriend. She just returned from the US. And she's a little bit overwhelmed with the village. What happens in the palace, and to cut a long story short, she's yet to get acclimatized with the system. And finally, Ifenkili. Ifenkili is a village girl, very timid, very backward, uncivilized. She was introduced to me by my mother, and my mother says she is the best woman for me. I beg your pardon. As you can see, I'm doing everything in my power to find the right person. So I am pleading with every one of you to give me some more time for that to happen.
It's all right, my prince. But if I may ask, how long will this take? Because we don't have time on our side. We are going to have all the efforts you are making are in line with tradition.
Yeah.
But we have a problem with this. We don't know how long it will take. No longer time on our side. Please, we need a king now, my prince. Biko, make it faster for us.
My elders,
My prince.
I understand how you feel. I also understand the urgency to crown me king. But please, I beg all of you to give me some more time. I promise you I will revert as soon as possible.
My prince, we come here. I will let you down now. The most important thing here is that you have heard us and you know our problem. Please try as much as you can to fast forward this because we don't want the throne to shift to another family because of time lapse.
Thank you, my elders. You have all spoken well. I really appreciate your visit. Thank you.
You're welcome, my prince.
You're welcome, my
Thank you.
prince.
Yeah.
Please listen to me. I think Ifenkili will make a good wife. Since you said you want to study Barbara and Sylvia more, why not give Ifenkili a chance?
Mom, you're certainly right. Ifenkili might make a good wife.
Unfortunately, she's not my kind of woman.
I know what is good for you. That's the type of woman that you can rule this kingdom with.
Mom, you want me to get married to someone who can't defend me in public?
Come on, you can change her. Yes.
Ifenkili is a village girl. She has lived all her life in the village. It is difficult for her to adapt to civilization, to new environments.
Mama, what are you saying? Do you want this throne to leave our family? Think about it.
In 6 months, I'll tell you who becomes my wife to.
No. Including Ifenkili. You can't just say 2 of them.
2 of them, mother.
No! You have 3 women in your life.
You have to make a choice between the 3 of them.
My prince, why are you refusing me? Am I not good enough for you?
I never said that. I'm not just in the mood for this.
Don't worry, my prince. I'll put you in the mood.
You need to stop. You and I know why this is happening. We are in this relationship because of our fathers.
So you don't love me? My heart is yours, my prince. I belong to you. Forget the promises the late king made to my father and make me your wife. Let's build a family from the scratch. Just you and me.
Alright, your time is up. Listen, I said I am not in the mood for this. When I need you, I'll come for you. Let's go.
Of my kingdom, Wokoma. Hey, Afudi Papa gonna give me. What idea? What idea, Jumba? I don't make fresh juice for you.
Fresh juice?
Yeah. No. Orange juice. Orange. One. Kalo. Burun Kagaba. My prince will take this one. This one is artificial. Don't try this one.
What makes you think that is artificial?
You don't know? Make I teach you something today. You see, any food or maya where they don't make that day, don't eat it. It is artificial. But you see this one right here. All the kachisikeya. It came from the roots. If you hear the chick.
Not to worry, I'll have yours, okay?
It's okay, my prince, I'm not angry. I've always known her to be a funny person.
Oh, good.
In fact, I like her.
What did you say? You like me? Hey! My prince, this one is, what do they call it? Testimony, oh! This one is testimony. Now the first time for this palace where person they talk saying like me. If I kill it. Every time if I kill this, if I kill that, if I kill this. Without knowing that I'm just a free person, no. Ne. Chimga gozi. In fact, my prince, don't worry. See tomorrow. Tomorrow I am what? I am going to make a very good original fufu with onubu soup. This is your color. You're gonna sparkle.
Eventually.
Sir?
You're a funny person, you know that.
My baptismal name. Funny.
I'll have yours too.
You can't hold me to my friends. Thank you very much. Drink it, it's good for your health. I like here.
It's okay, you can go.
Come and carry it. Carry it. You will not drink it, just carry it. Carry this one and go. This is our future, you cannot drink it. Okay, my prince, I will return it myself.
Okay.
Okay. But don't take this one, no. This one is not good. It's the drink I say make you drink, not be me. Drink this one.
Wow! This is so nice. Are you sure Ifenkili made this?
Yeah, 100%. She made it. I didn't feel like taking it, but I saw that it looked nice, so
You see it? I told you that Ifenkili will make a good wife and the future queen of this kingdom. Just look at this. Very fresh. Wow.
Mom, I told you she's not my kind of woman. And I have asked you to send her back to her parents, but you refused.
I have my reasons for bringing her.
Oh, come on, Mom. What's your reason?
Do you think I'm a fool?
Mom, what could be your reason? You want me to get married to her, but I have told you no. She's too local. She's not civilized. Send her back.
Listen, Enyinaya. You can make Ifenkili the woman you want. There is no way you will compare her to Sylvia and Barbara. No way. You can never compare a village girl to a city girl. I am telling you. Yes. What are you doing? Is that how to clean nails? Leave me!
I'm sorry, ma.
And you, Aloma, I asked you to get a new razor blade. What's going on?
I bought a new razor blade, ma.
This? You must be stupid. You gave them money and you accepted this as a new razor blade. Like, who does that? Both of you should leave me. Get a new cutting wool. Get a new razor blade. Get out of here. Dumb ass.
Are you stupid? I told you, domestic elements, not to make me shout when I call your name. Why did you make me shout?
I'm sorry, ma.
So what going on there? In Apwala, this is what you say all the time.
Was at the backyard, ma. That was why I couldn't hear you call me.
You was at the backyard, ma. Doing what? I'm asking you, doing what? Doing what, you stupid girl?
It wouldn't happen again, ma.
No, it will happen again. It will happen again because this is what you do all the time. This is what you all do.
Auntie Sylvia slapped me.
Did what? No, not you did what? I slapped her. Oh, make Pakame again, Juliana. Because she is not my mate. She is a low-class peasant. With all due respect, you should have asked me what she did before putting blames on me.
Amaka.
That's my queen.
You may leave.
For real? No, for real? Is that what you have to do?
You do not have any right to slap any staff in this palace. Don't try it again.
No, you lied, my queen. You lied. If any of the servants, if any of the guards, the maids insult me in this palace, I will mess them up. I will not condone any insolence from any vagabond. You know, if they try me, I will kick their fuck up. Not voila. Voila.
Pam. Who is here? Is anybody in the house?
Who is knocking?
It's me, Zelibe. The only pan wine tapper of how much village.
Zolibe.
How are you?
How are you, my brother?
As I was passing, the Holy Spirit directed me to bring this drink for you.
Oh,
enjoy
this is
yourself.
Great.
This one is drink and come again.
Exactly.
Test and testify. And when I'm born, but there are some more.
Yes.
And where is my own?
I will bring your own letter. Sorry, I will come. When if I come to collect this, I will bring your own.
Okay.
Soribe, thank you very much. Soribe.
I will be on my way.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy yourself.
I appreciate it.
The greatest for one time.
No, what I will give you the medicine. I will not drink coffee. You won't drink coffee for me? Don't drink. I will drink from the bottle. Soribe.
I'm tired. I feel like dying.
Nai, please, stop talking this way, eh? If you keep lamenting like this, what do you want us to do? Eh?
The thing is, I cannot believe that your friend, Papa, Mazin Bachu, joined the villagers in torturing you.
My daughter, that is to tell you how wicked people are. Mazin Bachu, I helped years back. He just forgot about it.
Nai, why don't we sell our own share of the oil mill so that we can use it to settle some debts? Eh?
Mbachu has taken over the oil mill with Anokam. They said until they recover their money before they can release it for me.
Wait, are you serious now, Papa? Are you being serious? So after the hard labor, they still had the mind to take our own share of the oil mill?
But Nai, why didn't you let us know about it before releasing our own share of the oil mill? Eh?
Then I was confused. I didn't know what to do. So I had to let go. I had to let them take it.
No.
Hey.
This is enough. I'm very serious. This is enough. They cannot continue torturing Papa like this. Papa, they cannot continue torturing you. I'm going to see someone.
I'll be back.
Mama, I'm coming.
Where are you going?
I just want to see somebody, please.
Where does she think she's going to?
I don't know, Nai. Why all this problem? Eh? Hi! Chimo inosekwia eh. Hi!
Baby, you've been crying. What is the matter?
Chuke is my father.
Your father?
Yes.
What is wrong with your father?
They will kill him. The villagers will kill him if he doesn't pay the money he owes them.
Your father is owing the villagers?
Yes. He collected a huge amount of money from some people just so he can invest in his business. He was hoping that if the business started booming, he would pay back. But the business, he collapsed.
So the villagers need their money now?
Yes. If not, he will continue with hard labor and he might die. Joke, please, I need your help.
Help? I mean, how on earth am I going to help? Daluchi, you know that there is no money in this house. I mean, there's no money in this house.
Is this all you have to say? You did not even ask the amount. You did not even want to know.
Daluchi, how on earth do you expect me to get that huge amount of money?
You know it's even huge.
Whichever one. There's no money in this house, you know. I don't have any money. I don't have any money to help. I mean, let's pray. Okay? Let's commit everything in the hand of God, you know. There's no money to pay. Okay, how much? How much are we talking about? Why are you looking at me like that now? Now I've asked you how much is it. Now you refuse to talk. You don't want to do. You've suddenly become dumb. Oh, don't look at me like this now. How much? How much? So you see?
Hey, come back here.
Oh, there's no problem.
There will be if I find any dirt on this plate. Okay? You are lucky. You may go. I said you may go.
Clara is a very neat person. She can't possibly serve you with a dirty plate.
Sweetheart, you know how allergic I am to dirt and dirty environment. I was only checking out what she brought.
All right. No, I'm fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
Why not have a bite?
No, I'll just go my drink. Yeah. What, you still checking that out?
I have to.
But it's washed. Come on.
Okay.
Hey, what are you doing?
I want chop. My prince, my odogu. Hey, I want chop. You don't chop?
What the hell are you doing?
I can't chop for my husband room. I won't chop this food without stress. No wahala. Enough space there for this room. Now waiting make me want chop for here. You understand? Hey.
Do I need to remind you? It is inappropriate to eat in my room. It shows that you do not have respect for the prince.
Hey. Wetin concern respect, concern love. I carry this food come here, make I dey look your face, dey chop am. Because if I dey look your face, dey chop am, the food go dey go. You understand? Now wetin I want, if I dey look this your face now, I go dey chop this food, e go dey digest straight up. That's why the food go dey go down my belly. Now love carry me come o.
Ifenkele,
Ennam.
you're a comedian. You know that?
And therefore I know. See my prince, better they happy. This life no fumbia. Now once so enjoy am. They happy. They shake body anytime when you want shake body. Like me now after this food. I dey go my house. I won't go see my papa and mama. If I see them now, I go dey alright. My belly, my heart, my body, my soul, everywhere go dey sweet me. No time to dey hang out.
So you intend to go see your parents?
I dey go from here.
Do you intend to change this outfit on your way to your parents?
Why go change them? Wetin do the outfit? Na like this I dey go. I know they change them. I dey okay like this.
Your skirt is rumpled.
It's in check. Everything dey in check. And they check me every second.
No, I can't deal with you. Sorry.
Come make we chop food though. Come make we chop food.
See, Fenkili.
Papa?
Yeah. This one you started to visit today. I hope all is well.
Everything there alright, Papa. Nothing spoiled.
It's okay.
Did the prince in any way mention anything concerning your bride price? Bride price.
Bride price came. Mama, there is competition in that palace. Every woman did that palace. All the girls for this village, all of them food that palace. So the girl one way come, hey, from city. Now when they speak out similar. If you see her bum, see her breast. Hey, Mama, you say if you go fear. Yeah. Get another one. Hey, that one let's see Igwe's friend, Naim Bonham. That one come too. Say she won't marry Prince. Her name na Streva and Gold. Streva? Yes. Mama, if you see people waiting that palace, Prince na hot cake, oh. Prince na hot cake, I dey tell you.
Okay, now that all of them are in the palace, does this mean the prince is not going to marry you again or what? I mean,
for what? For what?
Okay.
Is he mad? Papa, now me, if I be the only person way in the kiri for that palace. Hey. Now only me in the look. So he no go feel leave me, marry another person. He don't even tell me they say I be queen. I be queen.
So you want us to know that now that there is every tendency that the prince must marry you.
Because I mean they make her laugh. Hey, even before I come here, I make them laugh. Even when they laugh like Mumu, they laugh like Mumu. I leave and come out. Hey, now me go marry you. I think be hot cake, me too I be hot cake.
You are beautiful girl.
Now only me be pop for that place. Hey, all of them just they black. Like Papa.
Thank God they are black. We must win this race.
Now me get the competition. Another thing what I want me to do for me now. We go call Odumeje for phone. Make him give us prayer. Make we enter fasting and prayer. Yes.
Prayer kwa? Baka prince, you know, for prince to marry you, I have to go on fasting and
Why does he always refuse me anytime I try to make out with him? Why? Oh, I see. It's because of those two foolish dummies who has come to reap where they did not sow. It's alright. I know what to do. I'll frustrate their life in this palace until they leave.
Who is in love with the king? Who is in love? Who is in love with the prince? Who is in love? Got my faith, lead me through. Got my faith to you. Got my faith, lead me through. Got my faith to you.
With all due respect, Mother, I do not like this. You belittled me in front of those Godson men.
No, you belittled yourself. That what you call a thing is not a thing. He is a human being like you.
Oh, really? So I should bow down when talking to him?
I didn't say so. What I meant is that you should mind how you treat the guards and the men in this palace. They are not slaves.
They are servants. How am I supposed to talk to them? Do you know who my father is? obere nwa na-ebe agụ mbụ. Ego m ụzọ nke izizi na amụle. We don't bow down in our kingdom. We punish servants. We don't talk to them.
What's the noise about?
Ask him then. Ask her why she's on top of her voice.
Oh, darling. Those guards and maids, they don't just take simple instructions. And it's getting me so angry.
Is that why you're so loud?
Loud? No, I wasn't loud, was I? I don't even like raising my voice. It's just that I am trying to make the queen understand that those guards and maids are incompetent and lazy.
Alright, just take it easy, okay? Just calm down. I strongly believe the new ones would learn.
Spoken like a true king. Thank you for your understanding, my prince.
So you don't retaliate on Zaida's action. Just be with her.
Well, why should I do that? She hasn't done anything.
Her character towards the palace workers is so bad. I tried to caution her. Do you know one thing about that girl? She is a pretender. Whenever you are around, she will pretend as if nothing happened. You have to watch her. Very important. Watch that girl.
Mom, I heard you. But presently, I can't do anything. Give me some time to find out what the truth is, and I promise to take action.
What is going on here? Barbara, what are you doing? Smoking in this palace? My queen, what is wrong with that? I smoke back in the States. Oh, this is a royal home. There are things you don't do here. My queen, States, Nigeria, they are still the same thing. Please, do not try this next time. Now, put off that nonsense. Off it! Don't try it next time. Long! Please! The queen! Of my kingdom! My queen! Oh, my Benjaku! Ifenkiri? What is this? Why would you put this kind of makeup on your face? Now the reason why I moved myself to you. I want make you tell these people, name uniform. What do they call? Security. Sorry. Security. I want them to move me to Umuada meeting today so that my mates they will know that Ifenkiri is coming from Osi Palace Abuta. Ifenkiri, please. This is not looking nice on you. Please go and wipe it off. I will personally call Zeno to drive you to the Imu. Hey! Hey! Your Majesty! Hey! Watch him. Okay. Okay, my idea. Yeah, come on. It's a pub, come on. Watch him, watch. Okay, you don't understand. This is watching. Come on, come on, Ifa. You understand?
You should say what I need.
I'm too beautiful.
Okay, go in there, wipe off this nonsense on your face. Only will make you up properly, okay?
My queen,
it's not looking nice at all.
My queen, I'm watching my watching. Come on, come on, Ifa. Americana.
Sorry.
Americana.
Hold on.
Respect yourself.
Did you see yourself in the mirror before leaving the house?
Yes. I saw. Yes. I saw.
And you dressed like this? Hell no. I can't believe I'm in competition with you.
You are the one that you not get me for your room. You not get me for your room. You not get me for your room. Mad.
Look like a bamboo.
Who is fighting? Are you not hearing this?
She knows a people, but she's a big.
Queen of my kingdom, people want to die. Queen.
Yellow Pupuma, happiness in the palace. Yellow Pupuma, happiness in the palace.
Come on, close that gate. Close the doors. Are you crazy? Are you mad? You never have to tell her. You don't call her. Come on, you close that. Close that.
Are you serious or something? And who the hell are you? What gave you the temerity to tell the guard not to open the gate for me? In Morokai?
Oh, please get me a blender. Mates! Hey, you, come. Okay. Come over here. Go in there, get the blender and blend this crayfish. What do you mean blender? Don't you know what a blender is?
Me crayfish?
Yes. Go in there and get a blender and blend the crayfish. What are you still doing here? And you? Also, because you mistakenly, by a way match, came out as the prince's cousin, you think you can walk in here and behave anyhow. Ebe, you get ban as Ondala.
You called me a crayfish?
Don't you know where a madhouse is?
And I'm a madman.
Of course, that's it. Try it! Try it!
I mean, I don't get this. You are not yet a queen and you are acting up this way. What if now when you finally become the queen of this...
You will not even near this place because I will make sure that riffraffs like you do not enter this kingdom. Go to a madhouse, that's where you belong. Oh!
No, what is going on there? Sylvia! Stop there! What is going on there? Sylvia!
What is the matter with you? Shoke, calm down. Calm down. Shoke, I beg you. Shoke, calm down. Now leave. Get out of here. Out of this. Wait. It's okay. Joke, I am sorry, please. Calm down. You see this person here? She is so authoritative. She insults everybody in this palace.
Then, my queen, why did Enyinia still kept her in this palace? Why?
Do you know one thing? Once Enyinia is around, she will pretend to be a very good girl.
Really?
Very good.
My queen, you must have to make her leave this palace. I mean, such a lousy girl cannot keep staying here.
It's impossible. Enyinia cannot chase her out. He is trying to fulfill the will of the king. You know Chief Azota, her father, and my late husband were best friends. So, my late husband promised him that Enyinia is going to marry his daughter. They had an agreement. So you see.
My queen, attitude matters.
A lot, oh! Hey! Attitude! A lot! Like me now. I am free personality. If you stay with Moa, your family cost or what from you?
Really?
See, let me tell you. Don't allow that, my queen, what is that girl's name? Kafia. Silver and gold. Don't allow her anger you. Or one I talk a blue sheet. With Mua, your problems are go soft.
My queen, you didn't tell me you have comedians in this palace. I mean,
you have jam. What do you want? Semovita. Ofe obono, okro, onubu. Kedu keto at the bad na fanta.
My queen.
Okay, you have seen her. I call her stress reliever.
Chop knuckle.
Whenever you are bored, think of Ifenkili.
My queen. Okota. Can you get Okota?
What is your name?
Ifenkili. Ifana Wankili.
Oh, my car. God, please.
Okay.
Open the gate for me.
Something you must watch you. Yellow papa, happiness in a hobby. If you never see her, if you see him, you must laugh. If you dey angry, if you see him, you must laugh. Yellow papa, look again. Yellow papa, happiness. Happiness.
That good-for-nothing prince cousin is here. Do not serve him food. What's that? What's ma? What's her? You don't understand what I'm saying. I said, do not serve him food.
Ma, what if the queen insists that I must serve him food?
And so what? Well, if she does, report to me and we handle it. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma. Good.
Who is in love with the prince? Who is in love? Got my first
Why is this lady always a problem in this palace?
Sylvia was rude to you, and you didn't think it was right to tell me?
Well, Engineer, I knew you would not be back on time, so I had to leave.
Come to think of it, I don't know Sylvia to be a rude person. Do you have issues with her?
Engineer, of course you know I'm not a troublesome person. I mean, you know me from childhood. Sylvia is very terrible. She don't approach people in a right manner. She's just very terrible, very rude to everyone in this palace.
Well, I never said you're a troublesome person, but I didn't say that.
Well, that is bygone now. I'm okay, believe me. Engineer, I want to tell you something. On that very day, there is this particular girl called Ifenkili. I think that girl can really make a good wife for you. Why don't you just go ahead and pay her bride price and make her your wife?
She's not in my class.
Really? Is it all about class now? I think if you are to consider she making a good wife for you and giving you peace of mind, you can brush her up. I mean, make her to be your class and get married to her. Think about it.
She grew up in the village. She's not used to civilization. So, how do I possibly introduce her to people as my wife? That's very embarrassing, you know. I can't do that.
If you say so, but just think about what I've told you.
There's nothing to think about.
It's okay.
See, just hold on, okay? He said he's coming, so he will be here.
I hope so.
Let's just wait. Oh, he's here.
Babe.
Yes, Joki.
Yeah, Daluchi, how are you?
I'm fine.
I'm so sorry for coming late, okay? I was in the palace with the prince. We had a lot of discussions and it took much of my time, okay?
It's fine, no problem.
Yeah. And please, next thing is that you have to pull yourself together, okay? Nothing will happen to your father, and I can assure you that God will take good care of it, okay?
It's okay. This thing is not what we call God now. We need to do something before God comes in. They are torturing my father, and if I don't do anything, he might die there.
But I don't have 3 million naira to give to you now. We have to call God in this case.
Joki, I'm not asking you for 3 million. Who is asking you for 3 million? I'm not. All I'm saying is just give me little money. Let me just go offset some people's bills so that they will release him. That's all. Joki, please. Please, just little money so that she can use it to settle other bills.
But I don't have any. I don't have any money with me. You know I don't have any money with me. If I do, I will not sit back and watch your father suffer this. Come on, you are my girl.
Joki, you have this money. You just don't want to help me. You have it. I know you have it.
I don't have this money. If I have it, I will give it to you. What is there? To save your father's life, I will gladly do it for the woman I love. You know I love you.
Joki, it's me, oh. It's me, oh, Joki.
I know it's you. What is it? Are you doubting me? No, like seriously, you are doubting me. I don't have it, man.
I hear you, no problem. There's no point in discussing about it. You don't want to help, not so. Fine, I hear you. Chizzy, please, let's go.
Daluchi, can you just listen to me? I don't have this money now. If I have it,
Please, that fast. Ah! What are you people doing? Hey! Your patient! Walk! Your next word, you know, all some of the money. Oju, walk. Come on, walk. Get that everything. Walk. Come on, walk. Oju, walk. Nonsense. The back. Everything! Walk. Pay your money. It's in back. You don't have to pay. So you walk and get everything. It's got that. That one there. That one there. Sit. That one. Tell them now. Hey! Walk. Walk! Pay your money, Simba. Your next word, you will not.
Chinaza mekpere o. Obotu akide. Kidi. Oh, Chinaza mekpere o. Obotu akide. Chinaza mekpere o. Obotu akide. Chinaza mekpere. Adam.
No.
Mama.
It's good. Oh, it's all right. Everything will be fine. You know what, Mama? There's enough. You do the yaka. Oh, everything will be fine. You know what, Mama? It's all right.
Georgie. Hold on. That thing is 150 plots of land together. What are you talking about? Good. So, let the client know exactly. Good. Now you are talking. Tell it properly to him and then. Let me get back to you. I have a visitor now. I'll get back to you.
I'll tell my friend.
Soribe.
I'll tell my friend.
The greatest palm wine tapper of our time.
The royal in-law to be.
Soribe.
The royal. You see, you know I'm a water. Well, Emma, actually, I brought this drink for you to enjoy yourself. Because you know, I'm always appreciate people doing good things. You are the only elder that does things in the way it's supposed to. So I decided to bring this one for you.
Soribe.
Enjoy yourself.
Look, you have become the greatest friend I have in this town.
You know that I'm a water. I don't have an enemy. I won't mean it. Enjoy yourself. I prepared this one special for you.
Thank you for this palm wine. This is special to me.
I told my in-law to be. No.
No, what did you just say?
No. Your
tongue was slipping.
I mean royal in-law to be.
Okay, now you are talking.
I tell my friend.
So how is it going?
No, you see, I can see. I have finished everything I prepared today.
Okay,
I decided to bring this one to you.
Congratulations, and thank you very much for this. I will not forget. You know, I don't forget easily.
I trust you. I know this person. I don't keep anyhow friend. I don't keep anyhow friend. You are my friend. So let me go back because I want to go and tap even per one. So let me just go. I will come and maybe in the evening or tomorrow to collect back.
No problem.
By just then enjoy yourself. I prepared this with this evening or tomorrow morning.
No problem. By then I must have done it completely.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you very
much.
Enjoy
yourself.
Sorry,
I prepared that one special for you.
In fact, I'm going to go beer. Hey! All this for me.
Hi. You ready to go to bed? I thought you'd probably be sleeping.
I don't know. I was waiting for you.
Waiting for me? Want to go to bed with me? Let's go to bed.
Mom, I'm very pleased with what happened last night.
What was that?
Ifenkili is actually an amazing girl. I saw her very excited as if she won a lottery.
What I told you. Ifenkili is the best among those ladies.
My fear is, what if she attends the meeting of kings with me and she fails to express herself?
Let me know. If you teach her, she will learn.
Mom, I have a fiancé. And the moment she ticks all the boxes for me, I'll get married to her.
Barbara is not the kind of woman you will rule this kingdom with. But if she's the one you want to marry, suit yourself.
My prince, it has been over 2 months now. We held a meeting with you concerning your marriage and coronation. Unfortunately, we are yet to hear from you. We are worried, my prince.
Oh no.
My prince.
I must apologize for not reaching out as promised. But that is because I haven't been able to make a choice.
From the women I mentioned.
Are you saying none of them is pregnant?
Well, no. I mean, if that was the situation, I would have reached out to everyone. Yeah.
My prince, I beg you in the name of the gods, why don't you pick a wife? Pick one out of them so we proceed with the marriage rites.
Hello.
My prince.
You have spoken like a true elder that you are. But I need some more time. Please. Give me some more time.
My prince. What about Ifenkili? Ifenkili? Yes, she's a very good girl. Yes, yes. I mean the daughter of Acho.
Well, you're right. I never said she was a bad girl. However, she needs a lot of exposure, a lot of education, and I'm afraid I can't be with her if she doesn't meet my standards. Yeah.
How do you mean, my prince?
Oh no.
My prince.
She has a lot of work to do on herself. Yeah.
Then what is she doing in the palace? Let her go.
I thought about the same thing, but my mother insisted she must stay in the palace because she is her candidate. Yeah.
Okay. It's okay, my prince, we had you, and we don't have option. We'll still repeat our appeal. Whatever it will cost you, please. Make yourself available for the kingship. We need a king, and you are the king. Please, find a wife. But I will teach her. Biko.
Oh no. Patience. Patience is like a pot a child carries on the head
whilst crossing a turbulent river.
Oh my God.
I'm talking to you, man.
What's wrong with you? Are you okay? Something wrong with your head?
What is wrong with you?
Stop this nonsense. So don't try to spoil my afternoon. Don't try it.
I don't get it. What is wrong with you? I was hunting for you, you ignored me. I still walked up to you and you are misbehaving.
Are you okay? You're very mad.
No. Okay, let's be calm, okay?
You be calm, not me be calm.
I'm sorry.
No, that sorry should choke you. You see that sorry? Swallow it. What do you mean? You did not even call to know how my father's health is. I called you for 2 good days. 2 good days. But no, you didn't pick up your call. You did not return any.
But I was busy. I was busy. You know that I'm a busy man. I'm busy.
Yes, you're a very busy man. Continue being busy. That's all I get to hear. Joke, if I make a step, don't touch me.
I'm sorry. Okay, I can make things right. Calm down. You are for me. Come on, you're my woman.
You are mad. Something is wrong with you upstairs. Something is wrong with you upstairs. How did you even know I was going to take this route? How? Who told you I would be here?
Well, I know that you usually pass here by this time, and I was even expecting you to get something from this shop here, but...
I was even ringing himself. Very stupid fellow. Hello? Auntie? Okay, thank you so much. I'm going to send the money to Mazin Bacho. Let me just get to the ATM, okay? Thank you.
Which money?
Rubbish!
Daluchi, are you leaving me here? Just like that? Daluchi,
Stop crying, wipe your tears. I cannot stop crying, 'cause my heart is broken. Asina mojiego, amandere motua. Asina papa mojiego, amandere motua.
You're here thinking. Thinking will not solve this problem. All we need now is prayers and help from some of our relations.
Obedient. Nobody wants to help us. I've talked to all of our relations and they were not picking their calls. Some of them turned deaf ears.
There's nothing we can do about that. Felicia gave Daluchi some money to give to some people.
She's the only person that is responding. Some of them were not even picking their calls. Yesterday, Daluchi went to give Mbacho part payment of the money, but he refused to collect it.
All I'm saying is that do not kill yourself before your time, because I am not ready to become a widow. Stop thinking too much because of your blood pressure. Listen, Nai, there's no problem without solution except death. Yes, all we need now is prayers. And let's hope on God, because I know everything will be fine. Biko Nai.
Okay, let's continue praying. We believe everything will be fine.
That is the only solution.
It's all right.
Hey, you! Come here! Come here! On your knees! How many times have I told you fools to always clean my room?
My CJ, your room this afternoon.
No, you kill yourself and your entire generation.
No.
Are you indirectly calling me a liar?
I never said you're a liar, ma.
You! Now let me warn you for the very last time. Clean my room every second. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll take care of you.
Okay, I'm all yours. That's royalty.
I know.
Yeah, so
I have suffered. If not because of the prince, I would have insulted that lady today.
Hey, she's not even married to the prince, and she's acting this way. What if she gets married to the prince? You even have to wait till the next day. My own is immediately after the coronation. Everything, my property, I go pack everything straight to my father's house. That is if at all the prince will later marry her. Her attitude alone is enough to chase her out of this palace. Attitude, Biko.
My dear, the prince does not know anything about this girl. Did you see what she was doing when the prince came back?
Like an angel.
She was just pretending. I don't like that woman at all.
Don't worry. You two they rush life. Don't worry. Just calm down, Badu. But my own is that I will reveal all her secrets if the prince eventually comes back. They expose her. I will reveal her secrets. My sister, it's a review. Biko, ignore her. Pretend like nothing happened because everybody in this palace is seeing her attitude but refuse to tell the prince. You might tell him and he will support and sack you. But
me, you see this conversation now? Me like this, I'm even tired of this conversation like this. I'm going back to my duty post because I don't want problem at all. Not even,
after the coronation,
anyone.
I'm leaving this palace.
How dare you barge into my room? Are you mad?
I think you are the mad one here. If you are bold enough, why don't you show your true character to the prince and stop pretending?
So this is why you barged into my room? Blabbing?
I don't think you're blabbing, my darling. You're the one who has brought yourself to this place. Here you are. Maybe I need to remind you that the prince is my fiancé and will never have anything to do with you because he knows you don't love him. You are only here for royalty.
Your fiancé, so why are you crying? If you think I'm not a threat, why are you crying?
I can't cry, my darling.
So why are you crying?
I can't be crying, my darling,
because you're crying.
I have had him long way before now.
Oh, come on. You're crying because of a man.
Oh, shit. What are you saying? You must be stupid for thinking that I'll be crying over a man I have actually lived with for over the years.
Oh,
are you alright?
So what about you? Why are you here? If not to be called the queen.
Really? Well, I am his fiancé. And I, Barbara, will take my place. So please, take your filthy self, go back to that stupid father of yours who claims to be a rich man and stop causing nuisance around here.
My father did not claim. I had dating more and Akanazo. So Akata, before I open my eyes closed, vomit for my room.
And if I don't?
If you don't.
What will you do?
If you don't.
What will you do?
If you don't.
What will you do?
Vomit for my room.
Are you mad?
Vomit.
Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you stupid?
Hey!
Are you mad?
Grace,
leave my hair now.
Mad?
Leave my hair.
Are you stupid?
Leave my hair.
Happiness in a hobby. If you never see her, if you see him, you must love her. If you dey angry, if you see him, you must love her.
I don't say you go like her.
Very delicious. Oh my god, this is good. I didn't know you cooked this good.
Eh?
Yeah.
This one small, my prince. Prince of my kingdom. If I come hazie nsala soup for you here with the uji, hey, you go send me make I go cook for governor. I cook well. I cook well.
This is very impressive. So tell me, did you attend a catering school?
What with that?
You don't know what that is?
What did they do?
Never mind, don't worry.
If you say so.
So when are you making the insala soup?
Any day what you want. Just tell me, say, if Ifenkili, go and prepare soup. Nga hazeri girl.
That's good. That's yours.
Eh?
You keep that for a job well done.
As in, you dash me?
Yeah, it's yours.
For the food?
For a job well done, yes.
Thank you! My friends, thank you! Thank you! My friends, thank you! Thank you!
For you.
Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! My friends, thank you! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you!
Hi.
She knows sabi book, but she sabi lover.
Your message is filtered before.
What was all those praises you showered on Ifenkili all about?
When people do something good, you have to appreciate them.
So because Ifenkili cooked egusi soup, that's what makes her a perfect woman.
I didn't say that. Ifenkili is an example of someone who cares about people.
Really?
Yes.
Don't tell me you're falling in love with Ifenkili.
No, I am not in love with her. I'm just telling you the truth.
How am I supposed to believe that? What are they still doing in this palace? If they are not doing anything, send them away. Let's get married and be happy.
I'm sorry, I can't do that. It's beyond my power.
You didn't just say that to me.
I did.
Something you must watch you. Yellow papa, happiness in a hobby. If you never see her, if you see him, you must laugh her. If you dey angry, if you see him, you must laugh her. Yellow papa, and them life and killing. Look again, where sabi. Yellow papa, happiness in the palace. Happiness in the palace. Flow with her. This is her life, and them life and killing. Look again, where sabi. Yellow papa, happiness in the palace. Happiness in the palace. Happiness in the palace.
Hey! Who drove? Hey! Who drove this car? So are you the one that drove this nonsense? You want to kill me? You want to kill me with my pan one?
Are you blind? Can't you see?
Am I blind?
Yes. You don't see me coming.
See, you are shouting at me. You want to kill me and you are still shouting at me. Okay? In Abramba.
Look at this dirty looking old man. Are you stupid? Who are you talking to? Do you know who I am? Are you stupid? Mad? Are you crazy? Do you know who I am? Do you know who my father is?
Because of this but he goes well. Wait, get back, Mama. Thunder fire you. You are shouting at me. Hey! Look at my bicycle. Look at my wife. The motor that has no second-hand value. And the rank after using it, you will throw it out. Hey, Jaya, no, I'm way off. When you're mandatory, that eat from Jaya. Yeah, hey, look at me. Look at my guys. Hey! Hey! I did not see this one. No muta glass any like a body. I did not see this one. Mba. You know the man throw mud also. Stand now! This basket is very, very stupid. Hey! I'm going to Palace straight now. Hey! No! I'm going to Palace now to see my friends. This gear, your mission is cancelled.
Soribe, did you say she insulted you?
Hi. My prince, no small insult. She really deterred me with insult. Let me tell you, my prince, you see that girl? She has bad mouth. She don't even scared of insulting me. Eh? But my prince, let me advise you, don't take that girl as your wife.
Why?
Can't you? Let me think about it. She really insulted me.
Oh, please. Where did you meet her?
Well, I met her on the way, on the village road. Eh? Even my wife to be here knows that I cannot lie.
Eh? What did you say? Who be your wife? Who be your wife to be? Sisi? It's like you don't drink down your palm wine before you come here.
I said to be, not marry.
Why will you say to be? In front of my odogu.
Okay. Online. Please, my prince, I'm sorry. Don't be angry. It's a slip of tongue. But my advice is don't take that girl as your wife.
Why?
Soribe, we have heard what you said. Sylvia is not yet back. We shall confront her when she returns. You may leave.
It's okay, my queen. What you said is what I will do. Your wish is my command. I will take my leave now. Thank you. My prince, I have said my own. Bye-bye.
I think the prince should said the girl to go and search for Sylvia.
Search for her? Like, why do you say so?
Because her mood wasn't good when she left the palace. And it's risky for her to drive alone.
But why are you so anxious of where she went to? Is there something you're not telling me?
She was angry that Ifenkere prepared a meal for the prince and he ate it. It's okay. Finish up. I'll be in the kitchen.
Okay.
Thank you.
Who is in love with the prince? Who is in love? Got my faith, lead me through. Got my faith to you. Got my faith, lead me through. Got my faith to you. You did it, mala mala, yeah, mala mala, yeah, you did it, mala mala. You did it, mala mala, yeah, mala mala, you did it, mala mala.
I'd like to have a word with you.
I'm all here for you, my prince. What do you want?
What happened between you and the palm wine tapper?
Oh, he came here today. Honey, that man is something else. Can you believe he poured palm wine on my car? And I just reacted a little bit. Honey, he came here today and you didn't send the guards or the thugs to discipline him a bit?
Well, it is my duty to protect my people and not hurt them.
I understand. But not in matters like this. That guy was rude. Imagine me. I don't like raising my voice at people. I had to transfer my aggression to him. Immediately he displayed that ugly attitude towards me.
You transferred your aggression to him because Ifenkili prepared food for everyone to eat. Oh, are you surprised? Are you surprised I found out?
Not that, my prince. But you know, when she served you the food, you were looking at her lustfully. So I just drove out.
She did a good job, and I'd like to appreciate her for that. And for your information, you cannot serve my mother and I the way she served us. Are you aware of that?
Yes, I'm aware of that. I'm also aware of other things, like the fact that I love you so much. Your fiancé and Ifenkili cannot rule this kingdom perfectly with you. It takes strength. It takes passion. Forget about the food Ifenkili made and test my cookies. I promise you, you will never go hungry in your life.
Something you must watch you. Yellow papa, happiness in a hobby. If you dey vex you, if you see him, you must laugh. If you dey angry, if you see him, you must laugh. I'm responsible.
Hey, Ifenkili. Hey. Ifenkili, are you the one doing this? Or have you forgotten that you are the next queen of this village? Why are you behaving like this? You can meet in Nara. Eh? Are you coming from mad meeting? Eh? Look at you. Hey.
Okay, shut up! See, thank God I don't see you. Because like this time your house will come.
Okay, you are coming to my house. Why have you hearing leg Everything will happen because miracle will happen in my life.
Which miracle?
Miracle.
Which see, You see thunder. Now today thunder go fire you. That thunder why they keep saying mama bomb me. It go descend on you today. You dey crazy? Yeah? I just see. The other day you see me for market. You call me your wife. I endure am. I endure and say maybe your sense not complete. But you still come palace. Enter my husband's house. They call me your wife. In front of my otoku. You don't get sense. Why they laugh? And they talk, you they laugh. And they talk, you they laugh. Today, you go tell me whether you still laugh for this face. Talk or I just serious like this.
I know say you dey serious, but let me tell you, anything where unfortunate prophet says must surely come to pass.
Which prophet? No. Who ordain you? Who ordain you? I just see. So if Odumejeje come out now, line up. You go come out, line up, say you be prophet.
Okay, wait. Remove your hand.
I'm not gonna
let me just see.
I'm not gonna come on my hand. You go talk.
So you don't know that I'm a pastor? You don't know that I'm a prophet? See, you see me here. Nobody said because I did tap by one. Okay. You see, God called me from heaven. Say, hey, you will be a prophet. I say, hey, that day my battery was too low. I say, no, now I can't. God come talk, say, go they do pan wine. That is why I'm doing pan wine tapana.
So you won't tell me say like this now when you day. Go hold your phone number.
Hey, spiritually.
You get phone?
Phone?
Which phone? God won't use call you.
This is not physical phone. Spiritual phone. You don't have faith. If say you have faith now, for the hear God's
this way you talk now no concern me. You don't concern me. What it concern me be say, may today be the first and the last day when you go enter anywhere for this village. They call me frankly your wife. Because me for this village, I go be queen. I go be queen. I go there in full control of this entire community. You go there worship me. You go there kiss my feet. They do everything for me. How I go take marry you? Pan wine tapper like you.
Are you done? Now I can see that they have eaten you up. All this, even Prince, don't give me one gallon of wine. Say, make I come meet your people. Come there here, they do shaka. Which type of shaka you do? You be my wife. Eh?
See, make I tell you.
You remove my cap.
I said you did.
You remove my cap.
My husband no go fit say make you come marry me again because he is my husband. You dey hear me so?
Who be your husband? Prince. You be like say you the dream. In iron rock. Give me my cap. Where are you putting my cap?
I'm not gonna give you this cap.
I will collect this cap. Oh.
Try am.
I will collect this cap.
Okay, try am. Try am.
If I collect them now.
Try am. If you no want try, no touch your hand there.
Okay, it's okay. Let the cap be there because anytime you give this cap back to me, I will enjoy it because it has entered somewhere.
I'm not gonna even give you this cap again. I'm not gonna try.
Okay, continue keeping it. But mind you, you are my wife, whether you like it or not.
See they talk am. It is how they joke with you.
Eh?
It is how they joke with you.
Okay, they come close now. They come close. Why you give me gas?
Hand there.
Huh?
Hand there. Hand there. Yes. Don't come close.
If my engine starts now you go run.
Those men are not like that.
That means you don't know them very well. They are not whom you think they are.
What did they do to you?
Frankly speaking, I didn't want to complain, but since you asked, those elders blocked me yesterday and insisted I tell them my plan in the palace. I just reacted a little bit, that's all.
But they made it look like it's your fault.
Me? Oh, come on, my prince, you know me. I am not a troublesome person. I am too soft for that. Believe me when I say those people looked for my trouble.